welcome to VBS. Let's start with our motto. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jesus, our strong foundation. Now, let's recite our theme verse. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I am sure of this, that he who started a good work in you will carry it on to completion until the day of Jesus Christ. Philippians chapter 1, verse 6.
Yay! Good job! Hi everyone, I'm Kayla and this is David, my assistant. Say hi! Welcome to Bulldozer Crafts. In this week's Bible story, we learned that Jesus called Matthew by his name to follow him. Jesus chose Matthew and loved him even though he did nothing to deserve it. So today, we'll be making this door hanger to remind us that Jesus knows our names and loves us. Let's start.
Do you know where's mine?
We're gonna make it. So in order to make our door hangers, we're going to need all the materials in our package that we sent you. And we're also going to need a marker so that we can write our names and a glue stick so that we can stick everything on. So make sure you have those on the side. Alright, so the first step is to make sure that all of these orange things are separated. David already did it, but you're going to have to separate it. Make sure you do it gently so that you don't rip it. And after you're done separating, you're going to separate into groups of 8. So we're going to separate.
Are you kidding me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
A
7,
few
8.
moments later.
And make sure you're ready to put these on. So separate them and leave one group to the side.
Okay.
Now-
A few moments later.
Now we're going to get a glue stick. Are you ready?
Yes.
You ready?
I'm done. Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to get a glue stick and then we're going to put these
Yummy.
like that. Make sure it's equally spaced out.
What? This is ice cream. Yum.
Come on.
Oh yeah. I'm just kidding.
So we're going to do the top layer first.
Like this?
You can put the glue on the surface first too. I think that's easier. They're going to be about a little less than an inch apart. Like that. And don't cover the holes because we're going to need that.
Like this? Are we gonna do like this? Like this?
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Like that.
Guys, this is awesome. I like this ice cream.
Please don't eat your glue sticks. That's very bad for you.
This has no sugars. Okay.
And if you make a mistake, it's okay because you can always shift it apart since the glue is still wet. This is pretty easy, right?
No eating.
It's not? I'm already done. Okay. Do you need help?
I need to speed up.
It's okay, take your time.
Help me.
You want help? Okay, I'll do the glue and you just put them on, okay?
Okay. Oh, whoa.
Not like that. Like that. Oh, sorry.
I want to eat this.
Oh, don't eat the glue.
What? It smells good.
Okay,
No.
wrong way.
Wrong way.
Yeah, like that. Make sure they're going in the same direction.
I did actually escape because we're gonna put something.
So now it should look like this after you're done.
Oh. Why should I even do it?
That's the wrong side.
Oh. I didn't know. No, dude. No.
After you're done, you're going to have to flip your sign upside down so that you can do the bottom layer with the rest of it. And you're going to do it the opposite way. So like that.
Hello? Like this?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
No. Hey, Kayla, should I do it?
No!
What? Oof.
It's the same thing as the top.
Please subscribe. You should. Then we will be rich. Ding, ding. Oh. 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 Whoa, whoa. Okay, okay. Are you done?
I'm almost done. I'm done.
Oh, come on.
Do you need more help?
Please.
Alright, I'll do the gluing for you. Right here, right here, right here, and right here. No problem. Good job. Okay, now that we have our orange pieces of foam glued onto our main boards, hangers, we're going to put stickers on now.
Everywhere you want.
Yeah, you can put it anywhere you want. So I'm gonna put my stop sticker over here.
No, bro.
But make sure you leave some space in the middle for your name.
Can we just do it too?
Yeah, you don't have to use all the stickers.
Go Tommy. Go Tommy. Go Tommy. Go Tommy. Dun dun. Camera, why are you not doing mine? That's not fair. Oh.
Are you done?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't put that microphone here.
Are you done? Okay, so now that we're done, we're gonna write our
Write your
names in the
name.
middle. Write it neatly.
Okay. I guess I need to do it again.
I wrote my name. No, that's fine.
But, yeah. Look.
Yeah.
This
And
is
you
awesome. Then put a like.
Yeah, that's good. And you can even like draw things with your markers too, like I did.
Wait, let me see.
I drew hearts.
I draw a star.
Ooh.
Wait, what? Wait, yeah. Wait.
Great. That's cool.
Why is this marker so bad?
Okay.
Can we throw this in garbage?
Okay, now the next step is to
Put the
tie.
string.
Yes, put the string through the hole and tie it so that you can hang it.
You remember I did it?
Yes. It's a regular knot. If you know how to tie your shoes, then you should be good with this.
Yeah.
But if you need help, then go ask your parents.
Dun, dun.
I'm gonna double knot mine to make sure that it doesn't come out.
Like this. Sing, sing.
Or you can do it like that if you want.
Are you kidding me? Wait. How do you do this?
You need help?
I need help. No.
So you're only gonna take, you're gonna put your string through,
I didn't remember.
and then you're gonna tie it like that. Here, tie it. Do you know how to tie it?
One.
And it should look like that when you're done.
This can't be.
That's fine, that's fine.
I'm almost done, okay? So,
Yeah, take your time. And make sure they're tight so that they don't come off, okay?
we're done. We're
Yay, we're done. And that's
done.
our finished
La, la,
product.
la. Thank you for watching.
So we finished today. This is our crafts, and I think it turned out really nice. In John 15:9, it says that as the Father has loved me, I have also loved you. Remain in my love. Now we have a door hanger to remind us of Jesus' love. Make sure you take a picture of it and share it with us when you're done. Bye. See you next week.
No! But
Say
why?
bye.